YouTube? We back at it, man. We just made it back to the shop, man. You already know it's Get Money Mondays. We back out here a little bit late. We had a real crazy start, had a flat tire and some more, but we can't let nothing stop what we got going, man. We got to still get the job done and be on our way and stick to our game plan, man. But y'all see it, man. We back up in here. We about to go ahead and finish getting this Roadglide up out of here. We about to get this joint up out of here. I had to disassemble the red 2015 Roadglide to get the harness right, because I think I have to switch the whole complete harness. But we about to see. I found another one in case I do, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done hopefully today. On another note, we gotta head to Antonio Paint Shop, drop off some parts. We gotta head to the rim shop, and then we gotta come back out here to get some more stuff done. So we got a long week ahead of us, I'm not gonna lie to you, man, because that thing is supposed to be leaving and this joint is supposed to be leaving right here. So it's about to come together, man. It's only a matter of time, man. You already know what's going on. We back in here, about to get it going, man. We're about to get everything complete. Get this thing juiced up. We got this thing about to go to St. Louis, Missouri. It's going to my boy. This thing about to come together. We're about to get all this going, man. We got very little time on our hand with a whole lot to do, man. Y'all know what's going on. We about to get it in. So we left off putting the whole rear end on here with the exhaust. We got that on there. The exhaust is on, but it's not on. I still got to get the gaskets. These gaskets is not sitting right. Another thing he do have to get is a kickstand. That's the only thing to really get it 100% rolling. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble everything today, do what I can. But that's the main important thing, man, is keep this thing, this thing on 2 wheels with everything in motion going. So that's gonna be that. But then we're about to move this joint, roll this one out, hopefully today. And then I'm gonna take this one off the stand and finish that oil change so we can get it going. But you already know what time it is, man. We're about to get it rolling. Yes, sir, we got this joint going. We went and got the inner outer fairing damn near complete. Everything you got here is complete. Only thing you missing is these. One of them was good, but you might as well leave both off. You're gonna have just one. But excuse me. Anyway, I got that box down there to hold the exhaust up because I still have to bolt that up. I think the exhaust gaskets are on the motor are the incorrect ones for this exact exhaust, this D&D. But I see what's going on, man. This thing is looking good, even though it's unpainted. It's still good to see at least back complete. I know how it is, so my boy gonna have this thing back on the road. We should be sliding by tomorrow. It's a little late, and the time I got left, I want to finish. I really want to finish working on that 2015. So that's a done data for today, man. This thing is looking good. He never gave me the seat, so tomorrow we're gonna come in and finish the exhaust, bolt that up, get the gaskets, get the seat, get a battery, a jump, and then we're gonna put the stock air cleaner back onto the throttle body. He had bought an aftermarket one, but that one did not work out because it was the wrong one for like original twin cam motor. And this is an M8, you already know this is 2021. So that's that, but man, we looking good, man. Y'all see it. I'll give y'all some light. I can see how this thing is juiced up. Looking so much better, man. Looking so much better, but we're gonna get him a good wash. Y'all see all that dirt? Yes, sir, that thing is dirty. But we're about to get ready to get it cleaned up, man. Y'all see what time it is? We're getting it in, working, counting our days down, trying to get all these bikes done. So when it's time to go, we out of here. So this is considered damn near done to me. Tomorrow I'm gonna come in and top that off, get all the main stuff done with that. Come in, we're gonna go ahead and knock this thing out, get everything done on this tomorrow for sure. So tomorrow should be a good looking day, man. We're gonna get rid of that and then basically just finish the fluids, charge the battery, and go over a few small things on here and go on. The major thing I have to do is bleed the brake with the new reservoir, but stay tuned for that. I finished the light bar at the house. We're gonna bring that in tomorrow so everything will work out. He got the seat done also, so that thing will be done. But man, I'm telling y'all, this month is about to be a month of greatness, man. I got so much stuff coming and going, and I'm trying to get everything done. That's why I'm happy this is complete down there. This is about to be complete. I'm gonna finish putting this joint together, get this shipped out, and then this joint will get shipped out. So stay tuned, man. We working, getting it in. Y'all see what's going on. But like I said, we about to try to get some more work in and clean up real fast. Yes, sir. We done got this joint finally outside, man. Y'all see what's going on. This thing is finally back complete. It's not 100%, we got the little small stuff, but the main thing is my boy need another form of transportation for a minute. Then you already know we're gonna get it back. I won't be at the shop no more, that's for sure. I'll be at a new location, but we're gonna go ahead and get it back later on, hopefully, and get my boy right with the paint, have Antonio wet him up. But the main thing is he at least put the money in and got it back rolling. It's some people that at least leave their bikes crash, so I at least give him his props for that, man, because I don't care how you do it, the way you do it. If I don't like it, if they don't like it, even if you don't like it, it still take money at the end of the day, man. We all know that. Anybody that own a Harley or ever brought a part, we all know what's up, man. That's one thing for sure, but it's amazing just to see it come back alive, man, for real. Like I said, we're not 100% done. I gotta put the air cleaner, both the back of the exhaust up, get his seat, and then we on, man, get the speakers. But that CVO front end is definitely looking good. That's the main thing I was super turned on by. And I always look at it, but I be passing them up, man. But not no more. This time I'm getting me one at D&D, nice and fresh. That's for sure. Hey, you like it?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Daddy, you doing a good job?
Yeah.
Yep, because you my dog. You got that pressure on me asking me for all these toys, man. We got to get all the money we can get. Yes, sir. He got to get a good wash, though. That's for sure. I'm going to give him a good detail tomorrow. And we're gonna see what's up, man. I am happy. We getting more and more space, Ace.
Yeah.
We're about to be able to do the things we really want to be able to do, man, real soon. Y'all see what's going on, though, man. We getting it in, working. I'm about to get this thing back assembled. I gotta just figure out if I'm about to get these pins. I got another 13 harness that I got the same type of connector so I could cut some off and swap the wire out. So that's why I'm glad I never get rid of certain stuff, but we about to get it going. And then I forgot I gotta put on these floorboards. I can't do it yet because I gotta get this exhaust going. But y'all see what's going on, man. We looking good, huh, Ace? We juiced up, man. About to get to it.